Hey, it's Timmy O'Neill. We're live from OR. It's Winter Market 2015, and we are with the executive director of the Big City Mountaineers, Jeff Wiedmann. Jeff, how are you?
I'm doing great, Timmy. How are you doing?
I'm stoked to be here with you, my friend. Relaxing, sitting on a nice, comfortable couch.
Having a beer.
Having a beverage. Cheers.
A traditional German beverage.
Yes, here's to nonprofit work. May it thrive forever. So,
Yeah.
Jeff, you've been in the industry for 40 plus years. Bring me through your entry and to sitting on this couch as quickly and as poignantly
All right.
as possible. Go.
15 years old, sweeping the floors at Sundance Outfitters in Rochester, Minnesota. Horrible boss. Got a job in a ski shop at the end of the summer. Went working there, started to be a ski instructor, went from there, went to college, went to work for a sales agency. Said, I want to do this on my own, so started my own agency. Went from there, bought Rutabaga Paddle Sports.
Yep.
And with my friend Darren Bush. After that,
There could be a space where we don't know what happened.
Yeah, I went into the ethereal.
Yeah, I went into the fourth dimension, then I rematerialized
That's right.
as the executive director of Big City Mountaineers.
Just like that.
Bam! So what's the mission of BCM?
The mission of BCM is we take kids on wilderness mentoring expeditions and install critical life skills. And it's the first time they've had a positive adult role model. It's the first time they've had somebody say, you know what, good job, or you know what, you can improve this, or, you know, and they're cared for the first time. The key is the best way to change a kid's perspective is to show them an entirely different one. And Timmy, it's like these kids are on the moon. They've never experienced anything like this before. First day, really scared. Second day, 2 or 3 of them will come forward and say, okay, wilderness, we've seen it, let's get out of here. And it's like, no, we're going in another 5 days. Day after that, they start taking over the trip, they pack the tents, they do the bags, they do all the cooking, they do the kitchen, they do all that stuff. Day after that, they take over navigation. Day after that, it's their trip. And then they don't want to leave, every single time.
And then as far as being in the room here at Outdoor Retailer, why is it important? You've been a part of this organization as Outdoor Retailer, a part of this group in this room for 4 decades. Why is it important for you to be here?
Well, we have a lot of brand partners here. You know, all of our gear is donated. We don't pay for gear, so you know, I'll do some shout outs.
Yeah.
Eureka for tents, Osprey for packs, American Rec for bags, Cascade Designs for stoves, Jetboil for fuel. We've got all aces.
So you have these great partners, and you come here to both network and honor them.
Exactly. Say thanks a lot.
And then how do people get involved with Big City Mountaineers?
Best way to do it is through our websites, bigcitymountaineers.org. And you can also get into Summit for Someone there, which is our fundraising site. And the
I
best.
know that Cedar Wright is way into Summit for Someone. He'll go on and do these summits, and then the cool thing is he's really spreading the word via social media when he's being involved.
He's been a huge force for us in Summit for
Great
Someone.
ambassador, yeah.
Great ambassador, great ambassador. So yeah, and there's a lot of ways to engage. You can be a mentor, you can do a Summit for Someone. You can do equipment issue and de-issue and work with the kids on the front and back of the trip, which is actually kind of cool. You see them on the front side and you see them 8 days later and it's like they're different.
See the transition,
Yep,
right?
you see the transition.
Well, Jeff Wiedmann, well done.
Really glad I got to meet you.
I know. Well, we got a chance to meet several years ago. We don't need to talk about that. But Jeff Wiedmann, great to see you here, and then really cool to see your transition and working in something very meaningful with Big City Mountaineers. Jeff Wiedmann, Executive Director of Big City Mountaineers. Timmy O'Neill signing off live from OR.